All right, greetings and salutations. Welcome to today's Unity Mobile webinar. I'm Richard Moravec, Unity Mobile's Marketing Manager, along with Alex Freites, Unity Mobile's Partner Lead. Today we'll be discussing about a mobile business, building your own brand, and the starting steps to getting your mobile business up and running using Unity Mobile's cloud-based software as a service platform. Specifically, we will chat about building your own mobile business, owning your own brands, and especially look at what to consider when you launch as a seller of mobile services. Just a quick note, Unity Mobile will continue having a series of webinars covering a wide range of topics from how to easily create and manage, publish your mobile website, also the marketing of your mobile website. In the future, we'll also continue on other webinars such as developing your own brand and the effective reselling mobile websites. So if you're interested in webinars or you know someone that's interested in these topics, you can register for these webinars on our website. Now, as per usual, before we begin today, I wanted to give a brief introduction. Alex, a few points of interest and a couple questions I wanted to ask. So first of all, Alex, how are you today?
Hello, everybody. Thanks for joining us on our webinar today. Wherever you are, glad that you are here, and I hope we can be useful in our information we can give to you today.
Right. So I guess going a straightforward question, getting things, the ball rolling, getting things started. First question, Alex, why start a mobile business?
Fantastic question, Richard. Thank you. I think the most important reason is that most of your customers are already mobile. They're always on the go. They have information at their fingertips on their devices, and they always expect the fastest, easiest, and most convenient way to access business information on the go. Whether it's a phone number, whether it's an email address, whether it's a map, they're always looking for this information wherever they are. The question for you is, are you guys there? Are you offering these services to your customers? I would guess not, since you are attending this webinar today.
Absolutely. All right. Well, I guess maybe just to follow up with that, what type of businesses or who should start? What type of businesses or business models would this be relevant for? Who could this potentially benefit?
Absolutely. I think anybody can benefit from reselling our mobile services. Our platform is flexible enough to cater to a wide variety of people and of businesses. So whether you're a simple entrepreneur or a freelancer like a designer or a simple web developer or even a large web services provider, you can benefit by adding mobile to your portfolio of services already at a very, very great value that can benefit your end users. So it's really anybody can leverage mobile today as a value-added service in their existing portfolio.
Right. No, I can see here. You're covering everything from entrepreneurs, freelancers, hosters, digital marketing agencies, direct mail providers. From that perspective, looking at a broad scope of industries and verticals, what does Unity offer, or what does Unity extra support can they offer for VARs or resellers?
Absolutely, Richard. The way we positioned Unity Mobile as a brand and as a product is to cater to the widest range of audiences with very easy to use services. So we have a great platform for getting you started all the way from design tools all the way to management and analytics that can bring conversions to your end users and customers, and for you as a business owner, increased revenues and great margins. So we have a platform that allows you to design excellent professional looking mobile presence websites that have very, very important features such as commerce and click-to-call and click-to-map that are in high demand, that are a requirement now for any mobile device and mobile user. And this is a platform that provides an experience that works on any device or on any operating system. So whether you're an iPhone or a BlackBerry or an Android device, you're guaranteed to offer the same presence to your customers that you designed in our interface. We have great tools, multiple ways of getting started, and I'll be showing those in a little bit, which allow you to present to your customers a great set of interaction points with their customers and your customers on your own end to generate more leads, to generate more revenue, and enhance your engagement with your customers and your audiences on mobile specific campaigns.
Fantastic. Now, Alex, you mentioned increasing revenues. I'm sure that would be of strong interest from depending on your business, and obviously we're always open to new business development. I'm wondering if you could maybe just give us a little bit of detail or some insights on how to get started on becoming profitable, creating a profitable business model, and what are some of perhaps the advantages and benefits with Unity?
Absolutely. So we engineered some nice ways of getting started. So whether you're a small developer, small freelancer, or you just want to start in the mobile industry and you don't know where, you can start with just testing out our simple service by creating an account and logging in and starting things on your own. This is always free, and it will always be free. You have a free 30-day trial. You can try things out for yourself. Just go to our website and sign up. It's that easy. Once you're ready to take it to the next level and actually make a business out of this, we have a variety of reseller programs or VAR programs that allow you to enhance your services for your customers. So you can start simple with our simple reseller program, which allows you to build a number of websites for your customers with different types of features. And this is a service that is low cost, fixed startup cost, usually in the $50 to $100 for the package of sites that we offer. There are no setup fees, and it allows you to customize the experience that you build for your customers and the levels of features that they need. Once you're ready to go to maybe even the next level and build your own brand around mobile services, we offer a private label solution or white label solution that allows you to customize this interface and the services you offer to your customers directly through Unity Mobile. So you can customize your logos, your colors, the packages and the features that you offer to your customers, and most importantly, the price points you're selling our services to your end users. You end up in a simple agreement with Unity Mobile that allows you to become a wholesale provider of mobile services to your end users. And we have a variety of tools that allow you to increase your profits and generate recurring revenue by charging monthly for your website, for your mobile site that you build for your customers. The most important aspect here is that there is nothing new for you guys to learn. There's nothing to download. There's no software to install or configure. This is a platform as a service. You log into the website anytime, any place you like, and you can create, manage, and engage with your brand the way you need to. You have all the tools necessary for you to develop and monitor and monetize mobile services for you and for your customers.
Great. And now I think just to briefly summarize, I think we talked a little bit earlier about having value proposition as a product, and there's a couple things that you highlighted there, and I wanted just to maybe follow up with a two-part question, Alex. From a customer standpoint, a partner or reseller standpoint, I was wondering what customizations options are there available with Unity platform, and we talked a little bit about brand as well. Someone who has a strong brand in their community or nationally, how can they transfer or keep their brands, so that it's as efficient as possible? I might be concerned, how can I, if I'm going to have a white label solution, how is that process done, transferring, keeping your brand?
Absolutely. Now, we always recognize the fact that our partners are in need of keeping their own brand and want to maintain their identities and just be able to add services easily to their existing portfolios without having to deal with other branding elements, with any advertisements from anybody, just for me to keep my control over my own brand. So we've gone to great lengths to make sure that our platform is easily customizable for these partners. So you're able to drop in your own logo into our pre-built service. You can customize the colors and the way things kind of look and feel for your end users to better match your existing brands. We provide ways of integrating with your existing infrastructure, like your account logins, your provisioning system for new accounts or new users, for starting and stopping different services. And we also provide you with abilities to customize the packages and pricing and the features that you offer to your end users, so you don't have to go with our standard retail products. You can select the features that better suit your markets and your customers to maximize your potential. We also provide you with marketing support and training to make sure that you are successful at your mobile campaigns. And I think our value-added reseller program includes up to 4 hours of training hands-on. We also provide you marketing support such as email templates and strategies of how to reach these customers via SMS, with QR codes, with printed media, all kinds of white papers that we can provide to you to better support your initiatives.
Right. Now, I think as part of today's webinar, two things that we wanted to highlight to potential resellers and VARs is one was the Quick Start package, and the other give a little bit of insight into the white label customization. So I guess without further ado, Alex, I was wondering if you could perhaps pop into the platform and we can give just a very brief tour of each of these sections.
Absolutely. Actually, I would like to show a simple example of one of our partners that has white labeled our service. I can show you here a quick screenshot that shows our editor, our advanced editor. We actually have two that has a full branding experience for this partner. So they can put in their own logo. They have defined already their packages and features that they want to control. I'm going to highlight this really quickly here. Right here in the middle, you can see some of the features that are available to insert in a mobile presence site. You have a bunch of features that, as a partner, you get control over, like your analytics and your dashboards for your performance. And I'm going to show you some real live examples in a bit. But this partner was able to customize the experience to match the colors, the logo, and the look and feel to better match their brand. And this specific partner actually has integrated our platform directly into the rest of their infrastructure, like their login systems and product provisioning and account provisioning systems. I'm going to jump over here quickly to another quick example. And here is another example of another partner, a large digital agency that uses our service to provide the value-added services that we offer, the mobile services to their portfolio of customers, in addition with the other services that they offer. So they offer design and logo and website management and SEO, and they've added Unity Mobile as their partner for providing mobile services. And this is a very quick sample interface of how that looks for them. So I'm going to jump into a quick demo so I can show you some of the features that we offer. So I'm going to show you a quick overview of our interface. What you should be seeing now on your screen is a sample site that's being built on our web service, which kind of shows you the available features that you can use, or your customers can use using your service, your white label. I have my site editor here, which allows me to manipulate the content of my site, allows me to insert all kinds of widgets of content like menus, click to call, maps, RSS feeds, advertisements, forms, payment buttons, all kinds of very, very popular and useful mobile specific features. I also have the ability to import from existing sources of content, like an existing website or a feed of content like a blog. I can bring this content in and make a mobile experience out of it very easily. Part of also the service, I have a media library which allows me to manage my mobile assets, which allows me to kind of store my source graphics for my websites, for my mobile sites, my mobile campaigns, in a place that is secure, and also does all the transcoding or all the transformations needed to make sure that these media assets fit on any device. So our service is intelligent enough to detect which device is requesting this mobile content and provide that device the appropriate sized and resolution and quality graphic or video or audio specific to that device to make sure that the experience is always consistent and professional. So this can all be managed through our interface. All you have to do is upload it in one place and everything else is taken care of for you. All the transformations, all that. We also have very significant tools for distribution or marketing, which allow your customers or you as a provider to distribute or spread the word about your new mobile initiatives. And we have the most popular features out there, like the QR codes, which are very, very popular these days. We have SMS integrated directly into the platform, so you're able to distribute or advertise your mobile initiatives through SMS. We have email and also the social integration through Facebook and Twitter. So you're able to update either your customer base or new potential customers with the state of your mobile service or any coupons or any new initiatives that you've recently published. Also, we provide a very robust reporting infrastructure, so you're able to measure very precisely how your mobile initiatives are performing. So you can see entry points into your infrastructure, how your distribution channels are performing, who's coming from your QR codes or from email, how much time are they spending on each page, how many videos are they playing at any given moment, what pages are they viewing. All these statistics are already integrated here. They're free to use, and they're in real time, provided in real time for you. We also provide tools for using your existing domain. So if you have a customer, or you are a customer that already has an established website, an established brand, and you want to have a mobile-specific endeavor, we can link those and redirect those mobile users from your desktop site to the mobile optimized version, so the experience is always optimized, and it's always catered to the needs of that specific user while he's mobile. All these tools are here, are integrated here, and they're available for you to use no matter what package you select. I'm going to quickly show you the other editor, the other editing experience. I've showed you the advanced one, which has all the tools and features, and it's for the more advanced users. But for people just getting started, I'm just going to start a new website here. We have a simpler product. We call it our easy-to-use editor, or one-page product, which allows very, very, very quick deployment of a mobile initiative using very professional and very quick methodology. I can hide this from my screen. So I'm gonna proceed here with a simple site. I'm gonna create it from an existing template. As you can see, the process is very, very quick. I can choose very quickly some colors. I've already defined my quick template. It's icon-based, which is very, very popular these days. And I can move on actually creating the content for my site. This is very, very quick creation of a mobile business card like website. So I can quickly put in my information, my phone number, my address, my description for my website. I quickly give it a name, and I can click next to actually publish my site. I can quickly show you that. And all this information is later available for you to manipulate. So I'm just going to show you the quick wizard here. So I've entered all the information that I had, which created a website for me. Now I'm able to make more edits if I need to. I can add more widgets, more content. I can add more pages. I can change the colors. I can change the styling. When I'm ready, I can just go click publish, which allows me to push this site live. It's that easy. It takes 2-3 steps to push the site live. So if you have smartphone devices in your hand, you could actually scan this barcode now and see that this site has been created live, and it's accessible on any device that you have. So the experience is very, very straightforward. It's very easy to use. It has great features that are mobile optimized and provide a lot of value for your end users and end customers.
Brilliant. Alex, I guess you've given a great example of I guess the Quick Start package and the Advanced Editor Business Pro. And what I wanted to do, perhaps before we open questions to the floor, I wanted to jump back and ask maybe one last question regarding customization for value-added resellers and the flexibility of customization. How much flexibility do we have with customizations? Are there ever any limitations in customization? And what are the general timescales?
That's a great question, Richard. We usually deploy new partners with a fully customized white label in less than 10 days. We provide you access to changing, like I mentioned, logos and colors, and also, most importantly, the features that you offer the widgets that you see, the little icons that you see on the screen that the customers can use. This can be customized for you the way you need them. So, for example, if you're a realtor and you only need a very simple template that has a title, a video, and a quick blurb and a contact form, we can make those customizations for you, and we can customize the pricing as well. So you're able to sell this at a different retail price point than we normally offer, and of course higher than the wholesale value that we're selling this for you. So the flexibility is there. Of course, there are some of the elements of the interface that cannot be changed, because we've done a lot of the footwork here to make sure that the experience is streamlined for our users, and the buttons are in the correct place. So we're able to give you some control, but not complete control, as you might assume.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but at the end of the day, for the value-added reseller, the ability to transfer and keep their brand is maintained.
Absolutely. So you're able to bring in your logo and your look and maintain your identity without exposing Unity Mobile to your end users. Somebody's asking here, what is the purpose of the QR code? The QR code is a very fast way of encoding information, so it gives you access to scanning or entering a predefined piece of text, so usually a URL, like the address of a website. So some domains have, like you can see on the screen now, you have www.unitymobile.com/partnerprogram/page1, etc. What the QR code allows you to do is allows you to encode this in a machine-readable format, in something that I can put a scanner to read and decode this address and put it in my browser window. So I don't have to type this out. So you can imagine, if you go to a mall or a shopping plaza and you see a nice advertisement that has a QR code, I don't have to sit there and type this address on my phone. I can actually just scan it, and it will take me automatically to the mobile optimized experience for that site when you're using Unity Mobile. So that enables my end customer. So if I do this service for them with the QR code, then it enables my end customer to scan that code and immediately be taken to an action item, to an action page, whether it's a video or a click-to-call button or a form. So I can capture that lead immediately while the customer is in front of my ad. They don't have to wait to go home and remember what the URL is and type it in their computer and hope that their internet connection is fine. They can do this on the spot, wherever they are, whenever they are connected. Somebody's also asking why use SMS. SMS has been a technology in use for maybe 15 years now, if not longer, and it's very, very popular especially in Europe and Asia. It's also popular in the United States. As you know, a lot of kids use text messaging, SMS. But the purpose of our service offering SMS is that we recognize that this is a valuable channel for distribution. So we offer the tools necessary for our customers to distribute whether they're advertisements or coupons or simple notifications to their subscribed user base for mobile specifically, to let them know of anything new happening. It's another way of engaging and marketing to your customers directly, and that is mobile optimized.
I just like to personally add to that. There's a local pizzeria in my neighborhood where I live, and they have these little lunch menus where you drop your business card in there. And the other week I dropped my business card in their little fishbowl, and a couple days later, it's a great way for this local pizzeria to market. They dropped my SMS into their little database, and on the SMS I got a link to a coupon, and then B, also their front page. So it's a brilliant way to obviously promote the website. I think without a question, SMS marketing much more effective. It can be very, very useful from a marketing standpoint.
Absolutely, and I think Karen asked this question. Yes, Karen, when you have a sale, when you want to promote a discount program or an actual sale period, yes, you can use SMS to distribute that. It just makes it a more efficient way of engaging with your customers rather than having to go print some media or make phone calls or anything like that, or send emails. You can also send emails from our platform as well. Somebody's asking if the click-to-call is working in the free version. Yes, this is one of our basic widgets that is available no matter what product you use. It's one of those vital components of our platform, and we will never charge you for that. I think it's a very valuable feature that you cannot hide behind a paywall. I also have another question here. With the VAR program, can the mobile site pull up information from a regular website as the regular website is updated? So I guess this question is about syncing existing content. Yes, we have some tools to allow you to synchronize content from your existing website, especially if that content is used like a blog in a way to syndicate the content, like an RSS feed. We have tools that allow you to synchronize these feeds and control how many items you want to display and how often this source updates. So if you want to do it in real time, you can certainly connect that. Actually, there's a quick question here from somebody asking if we can change CSS. There is some control over CSS that you can provide. We don't expose the source of the page like you'd normally do on a regular website. That's because our platform does not actually create HTML pages the way you expect them to. There's no FTP location. There's no server here that stores files on a disk. This is a very interactive, very intelligent service that generates this content for the device that requests it on demand. It's on the fly. So all the content and all the experience that the device is capable of, we cater to that specifically on request as the device requests it. All right, thank you, everybody. We will be closing now. Please don't hesitate to contact us again. Thank you so much.